Hello guys, welcome to yet another exciting edition of your favorite entertainment corner, KOKO Weekly Rundown. You know how I would do, so let's get started. The week started with the inauguration of a new president, and of course, your favorite celebs were on hand to receive President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Stars like Olamide Bado, Toyin Abraham, Saheed Osupa, Eniola Badmus, Sheilo, and a host of other celebs enjoyed the party to the brim. Adekunle Gold and Simi celebrated the joyous day of their daughter Adejare as she clocked 3. The happy couple took to social media to celebrate their bundle of joy as she continues to grow into a beautiful young woman. The entertainment world woke up to different gas looks as the self-acclaimed new king of the streets, Sheyi Vibes, released another banger to the delight of his fans. Twitter Violence Department, however, of the opinion that the Lamba King was openly dissing Ololademi Asake. This one go long go. Asake and Sheyi Vibes were here to drop their glove before Tiwa Savage dropped the banging photos of both her and her new lover at a private beach in Brazil. World record holder Hilda Baci is receiving heavy backlash from fans across the globe after she uploaded a video of herself eating dog meat. The star is yet to respond, but she is from Akwa Ibom. Abi, what were they expecting? Well, that will be all for this week. Please don't forget to check out our channel to get more amazing content.